Hello, gentlemen. My lecture topic is Influence of Western Culture in India. For better understanding and assimilation, I divided my topic in various subgroups. In first part, I describe introduction of Western culture. Second part, I describe its pros and cons. And in third part, I describe my conclusion regarding this topic. Move on the first part. What is introduction of Western culture? Western culture is also called modern culture. When people adopt this culture in their lives, it will affect their custom, trade, religion and culture. Now move on the second part, its pros and cons. First of all, friends, I want to discuss with you its pros. This Western culture increases the globalization of our Indian economy, and also when people adopt this Western culture, it's offer a various range of employment among the youth. Now move on its cons. Our Indian culture is a richest and oldest culture, but Western culture is a modern and recent culture. This Indian culture teaches us about the belief and faith in our Indian culture, tradition, religion, and its heritage. But this Western culture made the people so so selflessness that they only focus to remain aloof and always wants to complete their desire and wishes. They didn't focus or then didn't give to time to their precious time to their family member and other members. This West Indian culture teaches about to share the feeling of loves and emotion with one another, and also share the feeling of happiness, joy, tear with one another. But this Western culture didn't or made them people so selflessness that this Western culture people didn't want to make them bind in this Indian culture tradition. They always focus in their self, and they always focus to complete their own desire and wishes. This when people adopting this Western culture, so many Western dishes is quite popular like burger, pizza, momos. That means our these peoples have removing their Indian dishes and foods in their life. So these are the crowns of this Western culture among the peoples. At last, I conclude that rather we should think about which culture is best. We should focus, or we must have good point between two culture, whether it is Indian culture or Western culture, and this good point we will have to implement in our daily life, and in this way it leads to the betterment for us, and also betterment for the family members, and a betterment for our entire society and for our nation. Okay, thank you.